Yes, good morning to all. I was testing whether you are alert or not. So many people are saying good afternoon only. Hmm? Where are you? All of you. Are you in the class only? No?
Yes, sir.
Then. Okay. Good morning to all of you. Yes, reply.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Okay. So have you written in the last class? I was given some homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I have uploaded the video. So by looking at the video, you can write it. Okay. So in the syllabus, just check the once again syllabus, what all we have completed and what is remaining. So when you come for the syllabus, the remaining is, see, we have seen basic units, SI units, body, rigid body, particle, scalar, quantities, vector quantities, idealization of engineering problem. This one is statement is remaining. We will see force, law of transmissibility of force. Next will be moment of force, couple, moment of couple resulting parallelogram. So up to this much is completed. Okay, transmissibility of forces is also completed. So now we will see what will be the how to resolution of the forces. So this is all you have seen. So in the prerequisite, see in the prerequisite, so you have to study about the scalar and vector quantities. You have seen Newton's laws of motion. You have seen law of conservation of momentum. You have seen Newton's law of gravitation. You have seen and equation of motion. You have seen. So this one you have studied, that is law of transmissibility of forces. You have seen. Okay. Okay, this is what we are studying in the last class, correct? Sign convention. So what is resolution? Resolution means what? Resolution means splitting a vector or a force into a number of its component. So whenever there is a one force, I have to split it into different its components along which direction? How we are splitting? Along which direction? One is along the horizontal direction and one more is along the vertical direction. Horizontal direction को क्या बोलते हैं? That is component of x component.
X.
And vertical component को क्या बोलते हैं?
Y.
Y component. Okay. So in the last class we have seen how will be the formula also. Okay. See when will be positive force and when will be negative force? Anyone? When the
Sir,
force,
to X it will be positive and Y also positive.
Hmm.
Then besides X means when it goes to origin side preceding 0, then it's minus and means minus X, and below Y also same minus Y.
Okay. Just we will see one more from the same only. I will share one whiteboard. Okay. So consider there is a one line. Okay. So I will draw this one. Whether the screen, white screen is visible to all?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So consider there is a force which is moving in this direction. Whether the force is going away from the origin or towards the origin.
Away.
Away from the origin. Okay. So this is positive x. This is negative x. This is positive y and this is negative y. Okay. So now I will take, so how will be the result horizontal angle? This horizontal angle should be always with respect to horizontal. Always with respect to horizontal. Always you have to consider this is with respect to horizontal only. So I will take in the first quadrant. So this is 0 to 90. If it is there, that is in first quadrant. So I will take it as F1. So this is in the second quadrant. I will take it as F2. In the third quadrant, I will take it as F3. In the fourth quadrant, I will take it as F4. Okay. You can take this theta also. This is theta 1. This is theta 2. This is theta 3. This is theta 4. Okay. Next. So how to write all these things? Okay. Then can you tell me the horizontal components in the for F1 force? F1 force horizontal components. F1 of x. F1 of x. Can you tell me? Plus or minus?
Plus
F1 of F1 cos
theta.
theta 1. Cos theta 1. Next, F1 of y component. It is plus F1
of sin theta 1.
sin theta 1. Okay. This is in first quadrant. Next, in the same way, second quadrant, third quadrant, you can check also. Okay. So there is written. So you just see here. See, this one we have seen. Okay. This one. So in F1, so in the first quadrant, both fx and fy are both are positive. In the second quadrant, fx is negative. Fy is positive. Why fx is negative? Because x is moving in the negative direction. Okay. Next, in the third quadrant, so f is moving in fx is minus f cos theta.
Negative.
Because x is moving in negative direction and y also moving in negative direction. That's why both the components are negative only.
Negative.
In the coming to the fourth quadrant, x is moving in positive direction and y is moving in negative direction. That's why fx is positive, fy is negative. This is when the force is going away from the origin. If the force is going towards the origin, then how will we? That we'll see. See, whatever I have drawn there, so same thing only here. X is in the first quadrant, both x and y are positive, correct? Both x and y are positive here. So both are positive. So in the second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In the third quadrant, x is negative, y is negative. In the fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. Okay, that's all. So see, this is also same thing. This is one more thing. So the forces along the principal direction. So in most of the time or sometimes, so it will be given due east, due west, due north, due south. It means the force is moving due east. It means the force is moving towards the east direction only. Towards the east direction only. If it is a due west means the force is moving towards the west direction only. Are you getting? Next.
Yes, sir.
Due north means the force is moving in towards the north direction only. Then the due south means the force is moving in south direction only. Whenever there is a term due east, due west, कौन सा डायरेक्शन में उन्होंने बोल रहे हैं ना, वही डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं वो फोर्स. Clear this one? Due east, due west.
Yes, sir.
Next, sometimes the force is moving north 30° east or northeast. ऐसे बोलते हैं. Northeast means what? Northeast means it is moving in the quadrant north. This is north and this is east. The force is moving in northeast direction. This is the force moving. And what is over the angle? Horizontal angle कितना रहता है ये?
45.
Yes, it is 45. Next, sometimes the force is 50 Newton is in northwest direction. Northwest मतलब कौन सा direction? North and south west. This is the northwest direction. Correct? Next, sometimes the force is in the southwest direction. Southwest means this is quadrant. Correct? This is a quadrant. So this is the southwest direction. And if it is southeast direction, so this is the southeast direction. Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay. whenever he is specifying the angle specify किया तो that is with respect to horizontally लेने का. That is first point. Whenever he is specifying do east, do west, do north, do south, ऐसे भी दिए तो that is purely in that direction. Whenever he is mentioning quadrant, that is with respect to 45 degree. Okay. So we will take some problem, you will come to know. So this one we have seen. The force is in which quadrant? That is in first quadrant. Vertical component is F sin theta. Horizontal component is F cos theta. All of you, you have to write in your notebook. So we will solve one problem. All of you are having calculator. Calculator है सभी के पास?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
right
sir.
there. One more term I want to discuss here. Wait. I will tell. Wait means. Okay. Is the screen visible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
I will take one more example here only. So think that there is a force. So initially the force was moving away from the origin. Okay. Now how will be the force? The force is moving towards the origin. Force is moving towards the origin. Now you have to tell me. So suppose if I consider this is one force. So the name of the force is F1 force. This F1 is force is making an angle of theta1. Okay, theta1. So can you tell me what is this? This is positive x-axis. And what about this one? This is positive y-axis. Now this F1 force का component बोलिए. Tell me what is Fx? F1 of x. F1 of x means what? F1 force का x component. Can you tell me what is F1 of x? Now this is going to help you. So in the last class I have told positive force. Positive force means what? Positive force. Force is moving in right hand side. Force is moving in right hand side or force is moving in vertical direction, upward direction. Next, what about the negative force? Negative force means what? Force is
Left hand
moving
side
in
or downwards?
left hand side and it is in downward direction.
Downward.
Okay. Now see here. So this force F1 force, whether it is moving in a downward direction or a upward direction. So इसका component कैसे लिख सकते हैं हम? So this is one component and so this is one component and one more is this is one more component. Correct. So this component will be towards the right direction, left direction. This component will be towards the downward direction. Now, so can you tell me what is F1 of x? F1 of x moving in right direction or left direction? Right side or left side? F1 of x. F1 of x मतलब F1 this
Left
is
side.
F1 x. So this is F1 of y. Okay, this is F1 of x. Yeah, now tell me. Now either
Left.
it is positive or negative.
Negative.
It is negative because it is moving in left hand side. So negative. Tell me what is force? Force is F1 cos theta. Next, F1 of y. F1 of y. What is F1 of y? Is it positive or negative?
Minus.
Minus.
Negative.
Minus. F1 of sin
Sin theta.
sin theta. Okay. So now if I consider for the force F2, okay, this is the theta 2 I will consider. This is a theta 2. Next, can you tell me how to write its component? This
Yes,
is in,
sir.
this is in positive direction, this is in downward direction.
Negative.
Next, so for the F2 force, F2x.
X.
Okay, tell me, positive or negative?
F1 cos theta.
Positive.
Positive.
Positive. F2
Cos theta.
cos theta. Cos theta. Next, F2
Y.
y is equal to downward
Negative.
direction. Negative.
Negative.
Hmm.
F2 sin theta.
Sin
sin
theta. Okay. Now, if I consider this is force is F3. This is making an angle theta 3 with respect to horizontal. Now, can you tell me how to write
Yes,
this one?
sir. Yes,
Tell
sir.
me.
F3x
F3x is equal to
equal to plus F3
plus
cos theta.
F3
Cos
cos
theta.
theta and F3y.
F3y.
is equal to plus
This also plus, sir.
plus F3 sin theta. Why both are positive? Because this F3 force is moving
Upwards
in
direction.
upward direction and it is moving in and it is moving right.
Right hand side.
Okay, so this is moving in right hand side. Okay, it is moving in. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is moving in this direction and one more is moving in vertical direction. Okay. So this is moving in vertical direction and this is moving in right side. Okay, and that's why we have taken this one. So if I consider so for the fourth F4, so I will write it is a fourth force. Okay, so this is F4. F4 is making an angle theta 4 with respect to horizontal. Yes, now can you tell me?
Yes, sir. F4x is equal to minus F4 cos theta.
Minus
F4 cos theta.
cos theta 4. Cos theta 4. Next, F4
F4y
is equal to
plus F4
plus F4 sin
sin theta 4.
Why I have taken plus and minus means, see this F4 in the horizontal direction, it is moving in horizontal direction and one more is moving in vertical direction. So in the horizontal direction it is in negative direction, in the vertical direction it is in upward direction. That's why this is negative and this is positive. Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
means
sir.
it's just inverted mirror image, na sir? Of the
Inverted
previous
to
one.
initially away from the origin था, अभी क्या हो गया? It is towards the origin हो गया.
Towards the origin.
It is, but what you have to remember? So if the force is moving in right hand side, so x component is positive. If the force is moving in upward direction, then the y component is positive. Okay. If the
Yes, sir.
force is moving, so left direction है क्या, right direction है क्या, वो देखने का. लेफ्ट में है तो नेगेटिव, राइट में है तो पॉजिटिव. अपवर्ड है क्या, डाउनवर्ड है वो देखने का. अपवर्ड है तो पॉजिटिव, डाउनवर्ड है तो नेगेटिव.
Negative.
Only that much you have to see. See one more example that is there in the problem. All of you read this problem. Determine. Take this problem, all of you. Determine the components of force P 40 kilonewton along x and y direction. As shown in figure. So मैंने वो ड्रा कर दिया देखो. So what he is given? So this is the quadrants. Okay. So wait. So this is quadrant. Okay, this one quadrant is given. The force P is making an angle. This is the force P. Okay, this is the force P and it makes an angle how much? It is making an angle
theta.
This is theta. How much he has given? He has given. This is P force. Okay. This is P force. And this P force is how much he has given? He has given
30 kgs Newton.
it was 30 degree. This is 40. Okay. This is 40 kilonewton force and this is 30 degree. So see, write this one. So this is how much P is how much he has given? He is given it is 40 kilonewton. And what about this one? This is given 30 degree. Okay. So this much he is given. So now can we, he has given this diagram also. So this is, tell me X. This
X
is,
axis.
this is
Y.
positive 1. This is positive X. What he is asking? He is asking to find out this components. So first you have to read components. So first component कौन सा है? Horizontal है vertical है? Anyone you can take. So first I will take it is horizontal component. Okay, horizontal component. So horizontal component को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Force FH.
X.
Means FH we can say.
X.
Okay, FH
हाँ,
or
हाँ,
you can take FX also. Okay, anyone. So
Okay,
now
sir.
इसका क्या करने का? So horizontal component करने. So now tell me, horizontal component is this. Whether the force is moving in a positive direction or negative direction.
Negative.
Negative, sir, downwards.
So this is negative, right hand side or left hand side. That is left hand side. Okay. Next, one more force is moving in which direction?
Downwards.
Downward direction. So this downward direction is, so this is also negative. So इसको क्या लिखेंगे हम?
Negative.
This is FH, horizontal force. So इसको क्या लिखेंगे? This is FV, vertical force लिखेंगे. Or you can write FX and FY also. Okay, no problem. It is according to your convention. Okay. Next, can you tell me what is FH? FH is moving in right hand side or left hand side?
Left hand side.
Left hand side. So positive or
Minus
negative?
FH.
Minus.
Negative.
Next, minus. How much is the
FH.
force? Force P. How much is given?
P.
How much it is P?
40.
40. Yes. Into cos theta. How much
Theta.
is the theta is with respect to horizontal? कितना है?
30.
30 degree.
30.
Yes. Calculate. All of you calculate. Take the calculators and calculate how much it is. And second one is vertical component. Yes, all of you calculate this one. How much is the horizontal component?
minus
Minus
20 root 3.
20 root 3. वो एक कर दीजिए. How much it will come? 20 root 3 means how much? In terms of fraction. Fraction में कितना आएगा? Point में. 20 root 3 is how much? सभी के पास कैलकुलेटर है ना?
34.64.
34.64.
64.
You have to read the unit. What is the unit? P का unit क्या है इधर?
10.
Kilonewton. Kilonewton you have to write.
Newton.
This is FH. Okay. Next, can you tell me vertical component? Vertical component going upward direction or downward direction? This is downward direction.
Downwards direction.
Means it is negative.
Negative.
So negative 40. Cos theta or sin theta?
minus 40
Sin
So this will
theta.
come sin theta.
Sin theta. Theta कितना है? 30 degree.
30.
30 degree. So sin 30 कितना है? Well, that is 1/2. So 40 by 2 is that is minus 20 kilonewton.
minus
This is
20.
FV. Okay. So this is how you have to write it.
Sir, answer point में निकलने का.
How? Yeah, always you have to write it in points. Answers. Okay, this is one answer and this is another answer.
Okay.
All of you read on this one. So all of you read on this one, components. So you have to write it and you have to do the underline or underline the results. He has asked the components, horizontal component, vertical component. All of you have to bring the calculator. Screen visible है ना सभी को?
So means that desk calculator?
That is FX calculator है ना सभी के पास?
No,
FX
sir.
991. हाँ
No, sir.
कौन सा है? साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर है ना?
Yes, sir.
साइंटिफिक कैलकुलेटर.
Phone calculator है हमारे
Mobile
पास.
का कैलकुलेटर
phone calculator.
Don't use phone calculator. Okay, so you are engineers. Okay, you are going to become an engineer. So all of you have to use scientific calculator. See,
Okay, sir.
without calculator, you cannot do any problem in the engineering mechanics. Everywhere you have to use the calculator. क्योंकि इधर sin theta, cos theta, trigonometric functions से आते हैं. Okay, and बड़ा-बड़ा questions, equations रहता. So इसके लिए सभी लोग scientific calculator use करने का है. Everyone written this one solution?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone who is writing still?
Yes, sir.
Okay, complete it fast so that we will go to the next problem. All of you are written? You see,
Yes.
if you are having any doubt at any point of time, you have to ask me. Okay, इधर plus क्यों लिया, इधर minus क्यों लिया, वो सभी पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, you have to be clear concept. Concept clear है तो next problem आपको समझता है. Okay, नहीं तो नहीं समझता. So you have, this is the right time to learn everything. At any point of time, if you are having any doubt, okay, you have to rise. You have to ask me. Okay. So see, this problem we have done. Okay, what he has asked him, determine the components of horizontal component, vertical component asked. Okay, we have done. See, cos theta. Okay, you don't worry this one. Px means x component क्या है? 40 cos theta, 34.64. हाँ, here उन्होंने negative sign नहीं लिखाया, बराबर? इधर negative sign नहीं लिखाया. It means he can write here what he has written. Directly he has given the wait. हाँ, वो डायरेक्टली ही हैज गिवन डायरेक्शन. हम लोग क्या लिखे थे? -34 लिखा था ना. So you can
हाँ,
write
sir.
-34 or you can mention the direction. See, he has mentioned the direction. Direction is right hand side or left hand side?
Left hand side.
Left hand side.
Left hand
Negative.
This direction itself shows that whether the force is positive or negative. अभी ये direction इधर negative में जा रहा है ना. It means the force is in negative direction. Okay, आप लोग पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव भी लिख सकते, नहीं तो you have to mention the direction also. See, what we have written, py vertical component 40 sin 30 लिखा था. So हम लोग -20 लिखा थे ना. So we have written -20. Okay. So but here what it is there? It is there directly
Downwards.
downward direction.
Downward
Downward means it is already in
Negative.
negative direction.
Negative.
See, already it is in negative. So here ऐसे भी लिख सकते, नहीं तो आप लोग क्या लिख सकते हैं? This is equal to 20 kilonewton in downward direction. ऐसे भी लिख सकते. This is also correct. दोनों correct. Okay, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next, one more problem. See, this is one more problem. All of you draw this one. All of you take this one, draw. This is x and y, 10 Newton force. It is making an angle 30 degree with respect to vertical. See, I will draw this one. Okay. So there is a rectangular components. So this is a rectangular component. There is a one force. The force is moving this is a force which is making an angle. How much it is? This is how much? It is given 30 degree.
30
30 degree. How much is this force? Force कितना था?
10 Newton.
10 Newton. 10 Newton, I know. So how to solve this one? So here it is. This is positive x. This is negative x. Positive y. Okay. So हमारे पास क्या है? fx component. Okay, tell me. fx component. Tell me. f
X.
fx equal to f cos theta and fy is equal to tell me f sin theta. Okay,
Theta.
just I'm writing the equations, whether it is positive or negative we'll see later. So this theta with respect to horizontal है क्या vertical है? Theta is with respect to horizontal or vertical?
Vertical.
Vertical.
No, when I was deriving, I was taken this theta is with respect to horizontal. Always this theta is with respect to horizontal. But in the given problem, what he has given? He has given vertical. So I don't want this angle. I want this is theta always. So how to calculate this theta? Total कितना रहता? X and Y? 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30 is equal to how much? It is 60 degree. Then only you have to use these two formula. This theta you have to remember. Theta is with respect to always horizontal. Okay. Next. So now let us solve this problem. So how to solve this one? Yes, start it. So first fx find out करने का. So fx is equal to. So how it is moving? Fx is moving in a horizontal direction or vertical direction? This is horizontal direction and this is vertical direction, and this vertical direction moving upward direction. This horizontal direction is moving right hand side. Okay, correct? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now how to write this one? So this is fx is equal to tell me this fx is this one. So it is moving right hand side or left hand side?
Right hand side.
Plus or
Right hand
minus?
side.
Plus or minus? Plus. So plus. Tell me how
fx.
much is the force? 10. How much cos?
Cos
Theta कितना है?
30.
30. No, wrong.
No, here 60. Sorry, 60. Yes.
Always theta is with respect to horizontal. Always with
Yes.
respect to horizontal. Here it is given. Okay, that is 60. Then how much you will get? That is plus 5.
5.
Okay, 5. What is the unit? Unit is in Newton. Here
Newtons.
is given 10 Newton. Okay, this is our next. I want to find out the vertical component. Fy is equal to. How to find out the vertical component? It is moving upward direction.
Using y.
Upward.
Yes.
So positive direction. Plus
Yes.
10
10.
Sin
Sin 30. 30.
No, 30. It is 60.
60.
Because with respect to horizontal we are doing. So this is
Yes, sir.
60.
Jumble होता है, sir.
That's why this is the right time to
Yes.
learn. 10 sin 60. कितना आता देखो?
8.60. Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2 means 5 root 3. 5 root 3 means how much? 8.66 Newton. Okay. सभी लोग clear हो गए हैं?
Yes, sir.
Anyone is having any doubt?
No, sir.
If you are having any doubt, you can ask me or else write it. Write down. So always theta is with respect to horizontal. So here if you want you can write it. Okay, all of you write this one. So theta is equal to always measured with respect to horizontal. Okay, so all of you write this one solution. Wait a minute. Okay, all of you have written?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, if you don't want to make it as theta, okay, theta measure नहीं करने का, सर मैंने 30 डिग्री दिया ना, वही लेके मैंने करते, ऐसे बोले तो this should be changed. fx will become f sin theta हो जाएगा, f sin theta, and fy will become f cos theta होता. अभी मैंने क्या बोल रहे, if you consider theta is with respect to vertical, vertical में consider किया तो इसका horizontal component में क्या आता है इधर, इसका horizontal component में that is f, f sin theta हो जाएगा, हाँ इधर f cos theta, इधर f कितना है, f is 10, sin कितना है 30 डिग्री करने का, sin 30 is half 10 into half means 5, so fx is 5, fx is 5, वैसे भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, see in the solution he has given, we'll see, just a minute. See, this is okay, vertical component में क्या लिखा है उन्होंने, 10 cos 30, here horizontal में क्या लिखा है 10 sin 30. okay, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. हाँ इधर देखो, always calculate angle with horizontal, and horizontal component will be, horizontal में क्या लिख सकते हैं 10 cos 60, हमने यही लिखा है ना 10 cos 60, or else अभी if you use in a 30 डिग्री वर्टिकल में लिखा तो क्या हो जाएगा 10 sin 30 लिख सकते. वर्टिकल एंगल लिया तो 10 sin 30 लिखने का, हॉरिजॉन्टल लिखना है तो 10 cos लिखना है. सो डोंट कंफ्यूजन, ऑलवेज टेक थीटा इज विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू, टेल मी, विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू हॉरिजॉन्टल ओनली,
Horizontal.
okay, so that you will not get confusion. So always fx component is f cos theta and fy component is f sin theta. Okay, you just remember this one. Okay, then only see here he is given fx will be f cos theta and theta is with respect to horizontal only. You just remember this one. Okay, we'll take one more example. All of you read this one. First one, all of you reading? Resolve
Yes,
a
sir.
force, resolve a force of 500 Newton, resolve a force of 500 Newton, resolve a force of 500 Newton. Okay, resolve a force of 500 Newton acting northeast, comma, acting away from the point, acting away from the point. 500 Newton force है, acting northeast में है, acting away from the point. So how to solve this one? So see, I will take, it is force. Force is given. There is a, first you have to draw the quadrants. Okay, so this is a quadrant. How much he has given? How much he has given? Force is okay, northeast में है. So where is the northeast? Northeast का मतलब कौन सा है? First quadrant or second quadrant? North.
First, sir, first.
Yes.
Quadrant.
Northeast means first quadrant. So first you have to write this. So this is east direction. This is north direction. Okay. And he has given a force. The force is acting away from the point or towards the point? It is
Away.
given,
From the point.
away from the point. Okay, point the origin. So away. How much it is? The force is how much?
500 Newton.
500 Newton. 500 Newton. Making an angle how much? He has not given angle. It is given just northeast. Correct? See, this is the trick. He has just given the northeast. Northeast means how much? What will be the angle? Angle कितना रहता है?
45.
Yes, very good. This theta is always equal to 45 degree. Everyone clear? The given problem? 500 Newton force now moving in northeast and moving active away from the point. He is. So by looking at the definition of the problem, you have to draw the diagram. Is diagram clear, everyone? सभी को diagram clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Then how to solve this one, sir? So first, what you have to find out? What you have to find out? You have
Fx.
to fx component, and you have to find out the fy component.
Fy.
So fx is equal to fx is equal to, and this is fy is equal to Okay. Now tell me, fx is it in a positive direction or negative direction?
Positive.
Positive
Positive.
direction. So plus. So f cos theta.
45.
So f plus f कितना है दिया उन्होंने 500
500.
cos 45 degree. Okay, so you have to write answer. Next, similarly, fy, y is moving in upward direction, no, north
Positive,
direction.
yes.
North direction is positive. Next, f sin theta. So how much is the positive? F is how much? It is 500.
500.
And sin
45.
sin is 45. सभी को
45.
स्क्रीन विजिबल है ना सभी को?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next. Okay. All of you calculate what is 500 cos 45
353.
plus
353.55.
353 है ना? 353.
3, sir. 3.
Point
5.
हाँ यूनिट क्या है? न्यूटन है न्यूटन.
Newton.
Next 500 sin same. This is also plus
Same, sir.
353.55 Newton.
Newton.
Okay, this much you have to write in your exam. Whenever it is asked, find out the its components, horizontal component and vertical component. You have to write this one. All of you read this one. Read the all of you. So by reading the problem definition, you have to draw the diagram. Diagram is very, very important. Without writing the diagram, you cannot understand. Okay, see whether the force is acting away from the point or towards the point. Oh, important. So in which quadrant, whether it is in first quadrant or second quadrant or northeast quadrant or southeast quadrant. Okay, that is also important. You should know in which quadrant it is. सब लोग लिखे हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in the next problem, so take it on the second problem. Resolve a force of 800 Newton. 800 Newton. Resolve a force of 800 Newton acting northwest acting away from the point. Northwest acting away from the point. See next slide. So what he has given, there is a force. How much is the force?
800 newtons.
800 newtons. Again you have to draw the diagram only. Okay, 800 Newton. So in which quadrant he has given?
Northwest.
Northwest in any there. So northwest. So northwest means, so this is north. This is north.
Second quadrant.
Second quadrant. So this is west direction. Okay, how much is the force? Force is how much?
800 newtons.
It is 800
Newton.
800 Newton. So how much is the okay, magnitude is, it is 800 Newton. And how much is the angle? Angle kitna hai?
It will be 45.
Yes,
45.
it is 45. It is 45. 45 degree. Okay, so this is 45. So now how to solve this one? Can you tell me how to solve?
Yes, sir.
Now, so first one, tell me, it's horizontal component. It's
Yes.
a horizontal component.
Fx, sir, is equal to negative.
So first you have to write this one, horizontal component. All of you read this one. All of you read. And force is acting away from the point or towards the point? Away from the point, right?
Away.
And this is horizontal component. So how much is the force? And one more is vertical component. Vertical component. So in the exam you have to write this one like this only. Component. Okay, component. So fx. So fx is positive or negative? It is in moving direction. Negative because it is in left hand side. So negative f cos theta. F cos theta. F kitna hai? 800.
800.
Cos minus. So
45.
don't write cos 45 degree.
45.
So how much is the answer? What is the answer? You have to write this one. Similarly, y is moving in a upward direction, downward direction. Positive
Upwards.
upward direction. So this is
Upward.
f sin theta. So how much is plus 800 sin sin 45 degree. So
45.
calculate, all of you calculate how much is the answer. Tell me.
568.
65.68
Seat. What is unit? It is Newton.
Newton.
And here it is positive. Same answer. 565.68.
Same, sir, but in positive.
First volt.
So this is the answer. Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down fast. All of you read this one. There are 60 students are present. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Roll number 5 absent. 7 absent. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 absent. 17, 18, 19. 27 absent. 33 absent. 43 absent. 65 to present time. So absent roll numbers 5, 7, 16, 27, 33, 43. 6 students are absent.
Sir, 5-7 is present.
5, 7 is present. Huh? 5 roll number 5.
Sir, मुझे लगा 57 का 57.
नहीं 5 सर नहीं. Roll number 5 absent. Roll number 7 absent. 16 absent, 27 absent, 33 absent, 43 absent. Okay. Okay. Have you written this one? Solve again. So
Yes, sir.
shall we go to next problem? Okay. Write on this point. This is very important. ऐसे भी पूछ सकते हैं. Third one. Find the component. Find the components. Find the components of a force 60 kilonewton. Of a force 60 kilonewton. 60 kilonewton inclined at 200 degrees with x-axis and acting towards the point. So the force P is given, that is 60 kilonewton, and theta is given 200 degree and towards the point. Okay. So how to solve this one? So first and foremost, what you have to do? First you have to draw the quadrants.
Origins.
Quadrants you have to draw like this. Okay. So this is the quadrant. So see, angle is given 200 degrees. 200 degrees. हमारा इधर से इधर कितना रहता? फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट में कितना रहता?
90.
90 रहता. इधर से इधर 90 to 180 रहता. 180 to 200. So he has given 200 degree. 200 means how much? From here से इधर तक मेजर करने का. So हमारा फोर्स कहाँ पर है? So force is in third quadrant. Okay. It is in third quadrant. Okay. Next, जो force है ना, that is making an angle 200 degree.
20 degree.
20 नहीं, 200 degree with respect to x-axis. Okay, this entire is given. So this entire theta is given. It is 200 degree. Okay, but
Yes.
I want to find out there. Okay, don't write this theta, this as a theta. Okay, just it is he given. He is given. This is 200 degree. Okay, this entire is given 200 degree. But my force is that is I want with respect to horizontal. So this is horizontal, correct? This is horizontal. So ये कितना रहता? So I want to find out this is the value of theta. Okay, this is the theta. Okay, so
Theta is
always
20 degrees.
so that you have to calculate how much. So I will take this theta is equal to. So this theta is equal to how much is the theta? Total is how much? 200 degree. Total is 200 minus 180 degree minus 180 degree. So I will get theta is equal to 20 degrees. Okay. Now there is one more point. Whether this force is acting towards the point or away from the point. It is given. It is towards
Towards the point.
Okay, like this. Then yes. Then tell me the horizontal component, right hand side or left hand side? Horizontal component.
There will be right hand side.
Right hand side. Then what about the
Right-hand side.
vertical component? Vertical component
Upwards.
upward direction.
Upward.
Okay. Next, you have to mark this one. This is vertical component. This is horizontal component. Next. So once if you write, so now you have to write FH. Okay. Or you can write FX component. FX component is equal to what is the formula? Either positive direction.
Positive.
So plus
Yes.
F. Tell me. Cos.
Cos theta.
Theta. Next, vertical component में क्या लिखने का?
Even positive.
We will write later. Okay, first you write this one.
Positive, sir.
Cos theta. Okay, cos theta. So what is F?
F
Positive. F कितना दिया है
Plus
उन्होंने?
F
60
plus
kilonewton.
F, sir.
कितना है force? 60 है ना?
60 kN. Yes.
60 kilonewton into cos. Cos theta कितना है? 20 degree.
20 आया.
Yes, 20 degree. So what is the answer? You have to write that answer. Okay. Next Fy component. So how to write the Fy component? That is positive or negative? Vertical upward
Positive.
direction. That is positive.
Positive.
So F sin
Sin theta.
So positive. F कितना है? 60 है.
60.
Sin 20
20.
degree. So this answer is right. So calculate all of you. How much is the answer? Tell me the answer.
56.38.
Which one? Fx or Fy?
FX.
Fx. Tell me. Fx is
56.38.
56.38. Okay, that is in
Fy is 2152.
okay. Fy is plus 21.52.
20.52.
Okay. 20.52 kilonewton. So this is answer. These are two are the answers. Clear everyone? सभी को clear है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyone is having any doubt?
sir.
किसी को doubt है तो
No,
पूछ
sir.
सकते हैं।
No,
Okay,
sir.
Write down. Write down. All of you write this.
सर क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ न्यूटन है या किलो न्यूटन है?
That depends. क्वेश्चन में जो न्यूटन है तो न्यूटन लिखने का, क्वेश्चन में किलो न्यूटन तो किलो न्यूटन लिखने का. Okay. So अभी इन दिस प्रॉब्लम में किलो न्यूटन नहीं हो. Okay. 60 किलो न्यूटन है ना, करेक्ट? That's why I have written 60 किलो न्यूटन. और एक वो हो गया ना वो प्रॉब्लम? So no. So fast, write down fast. मैंने एक प्रॉब्लम होमवर्क देते आपको, आप लोग सॉल्व करके नेक्स्ट क्लास को लेकर आने का. नेक्स्ट क्लास इज आई थिंक 3 to 4 है. यस 3 to 4 टुडे. वो क्लास में आप लोग आंसर बोलने का. यू हैव टू टेल मी द आंसर. हो गया स्क्रीन? इज देयर एनीवन हु
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down this one. Fourth one, a force of 40 kilonewton a force of 40 kilonewton is inclined at 330 degrees. 330 degrees with x-axis. Acts towards the point. Find its component. आप लोग सॉल्व करते हैं ये प्रॉब्लम? Will you solve?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you try this problem. Okay, ये 40 kilonewton है. This is inclined at 330 degrees with x-axis. Okay, towards the point. Force is acting towards the point. Okay, you try this one, and we will discuss in the next class. Okay. So there will be one more problem. Resolve a force of 20 kilonewton inclined at 150 degrees with x-axis acting towards the point. So read this one. Fifth one also. Resolve a force of 20
Sir, we'll
kilonewton.
have to solve fourth, fifth, both or just fourth.
Fourth and fifth both.
Okay, sir.
Resolve a force of 20 kilonewton inclined at 150 degrees with x-axis acting towards the point. Okay. So remaining two problems I will solve. So fourth and fifth problem you have to solve. Okay. Today we will take in the afternoon session. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is there any
Yes,
doubt?
sir.
किसी को doubt है
No,
क्या?
sir.
Okay.
No,
If
sir.
you have
No,
any
sir.
doubt in the class only, you have to ask. Okay. आपको if any step is not understanding at that time only, you have to unmute and you have to ask me. Okay. Don't keep silent.
सर इथं आपल्याला नेगेटिव्ह मध्ये विचारतात का सर? म्हणजे आता इथे लिहिलंय बघा, प्लस एक्स मध्ये आपल्याला त्याचं शोधायचं आहे, म्हणजे प्लस एक्स पासून 20 त्याचं म्हणजे सॉरी 150 डिग्रीज. मग त्यांनी आपल्याला मायनस एक्स किंवा मायनस वाय पासून सांगू शकतात का किती डिग्री लांब आहे ते?
नहीं ऑलरेडी देखो उन्होंने 200 डिग्री दिया तो ऑलवेज एक्स पॉजिटिव एक्सेस से दिया है उन्होंने. ओके 200 है तो पॉजिटिव एक्सेस से दिया. सो यू हैव टू कैलकुलेट ऑलवेज. हमारा एफ एक्स कॉस थीटा एफ वाई साइन थीटा है ना, उसमें थीटा इज ऑलवेज लेस देन 90 डिग्री. ऑलवेज लेस देन 90 डिग्री रहता है. सो
यस सर, यस.
इधर 150 दिया है उन्होंने. 150 इज मोर देन 90. सो इसके लिए क्या करने का, 150 माइनस 90 करने का. वो
90 करने का. हाँ,
वो जो आ रहे हैं वो लेने का. इधर देखो 330 आ रहे हैं. 330 कौन से क्वाड्रेंट में आता है? वो फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट में आता है.
फोर्थ में जाएगा सर.
हमारा थीटा शुड बी लेस देन 90 डिग्री. सो ऐसे ही तो 360 माइनस 330 करने का. सो यू विल गेट 30 डिग्री. दैट इज थीटा. ओके.
यस सर.
वो दोनों प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करिए. वी विल चेक द आंसर इन द आफ्टरनून क्लास. Okay, everyone, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, thank you, all of you.
Sir,
Tell me, any doubt?
16 number present, sir.
16 present. कहाँ थे आप?
नहीं सर,
अभी?
रोल नंबर क्यों बोला था?
रोल नंबर नहीं लिखा है क्या? 16 लिखा है
किधर
अभी.
है?
बट कहाँ पर थे?
65 सर.
मैंने अटेंडेंस लेते वक्त नहीं थे ना.
होते ही सर.
Okay, thank you all of you.